Birds of Prey, a beautiful, nice, vibrant, amazing movie that I enjoyed from top to bottom. But not everybody thought so. That's why the movie did not do so well commercially. Critically, yes, but they did not make that much money. I still had a great time. All right, guys. So if you have seen Birds of Prey, make sure you tell me down below what did you think about it. Who was your favorite character? Comment down below, guys. So right here, right now, we got to check out how the movie should have ended. It had a good ending. I had no problem with the ending, but I guess they have different version of how it should have ended. All right, guys. So I want to thank you so much for stopping by. The name is Perp the Mayor. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, share with your friends.
Check the link in the description and find your favorite hoodies and tees now.
They say if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Or you can just change the ending with a nitpicky video about it later on YouTube.
We lost the diamond.
What?
I'm really sorry, Mr. S. This
We
kid...
never even got our hands on it.
That's not true.
What?
Shut up. Yes, it is. Don't listen to her, boss. She's lying.
No, I'm not. I had the diamond, but this fool took it from me because he didn't trust me carrying it. Then he got himself pickpocketed by a little kid.
No, I didn't. Shut up. I hate you so much.
Victor, why would you do that? Why would you lie to me?
Oh.
I'm going to have to ask you to cut your own face off now.
But I don't want to.
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. But you don't have a choice.
Oh.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
It's Harley Quinn! She's using non-lethal glitter bombs!
Holy crap!
Hey, stop right there!
Harley Quinn's taking us out one by one!
Well, genius, stop taking turns and group up then. Freeze! We heard you know where Harley Quinn lives. Tell us where she is.
No. We'll give you lots and lots of money.
Sure.
No.
Okay, I guess we'll just go ask someone else then.
Okay.
Okay, let's go bring back Harley Quinn and that diamond-stealing kid from the funhouse. Just gonna put my phone in my pocket so no private text messages jump out in the open while we drive.
What are you talking about?
Nothing. And we're off. And we're off.
Alright, let's see.
You don't think you can stand on your own, Quinn?
Yo, the death
You're not the
scene-
type! You need me!
I'm the one they should be scared of.
Not Mr.
Not
J.
you, not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley f***ing...
No, because I'm Batman! I got
Come on!
Let me go!
you! You're supposed to be Batgirl. What is
I
that?
know, right?
Whoops.
You obviously have a lot to learn.
Oh my god.
Son of a crap nugget.
Harley! What happened?
Batman just swooped in and took everything.
Oh, come on! Are you serious?
Well, this is Gotham City.
That's true.
He was bound to show up sooner or
That's
later.
true.
Really thought this time was gonna be different.
Nope.
Not the usual same old song and
Hey,
dance.
Oh!
Oh, no.
Oh boy.
what's up?
You look
Different.
different.
I know.
You look good.
Want to get out of here? Get into some trouble?
I don't need you! Haven't you been paying attention? I got my girls now.
Yeah.
Yeah, screw you, clown.
Watch your
Whatever.
mouth.
I don't care. See ya.
Oh,
She's going through
so
that.
mysterious
going
in
through
that
it.
rebel without a cause sort of way. I just can't resist it. Why didn't you wait for me?
Harley, no! Yeah, don't be stupid.
It's love.
Sorry, girls.
Crazy
just
love.
looks like what I wanted the first time. So we're back together.
Does she belong here?
After the way he's treated you. Yeah, I thought you would have shot him in the nuts. So did I.
Exactly.
Oh, I'd never do that to my snookums. Besides,
Love is love.
I was out of bullets.
Out of bullets. have a cafe too. That's cool.
Yup.
So anyways, your friend pooped out this diamond and said it belonged to you. So I thought I'd bring it over because, well,
Because you're Batman?
I was gonna say because it's gross and I don't want a nasty poop diamond.
But you hold it.
Sure, I am also Batman. I would wash that if I were you.
Thanks.
So, your rich parents were killed, and now you channel that rage to fight crime. I know what that's like. You wanna know my secret identity?
Do you know who I am?
I'm saying to you, wanna know who I am?
Yeah.
Okay, so cops in Gotham don't like you either. Do you wanna know my
You're
secret?
barking up the wrong tree there, Batboy.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
One
so
side.
you have supersonic voice powers.
She only used it once.
I can make my voice sound different with technology. Do you wanna know?
Nice. Oh, poor Batman. He's trying.
So you struck out? What?
Was how Birds of Prey should have ended. A beautiful movie that we all enjoyed, but didn't make much money. That's why it wasn't so successful. But still, enjoyable movie, guys. If you haven't seen it, check it out. All right, so if you enjoyed my reaction, please leave a like, subscribe, tell your friends. Always come back for more. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.